excitement. So this is a brand new pan-tilt zoom camera from HP Poly. Really nice. It's got the branding here on the side. On the front we have here standby and a power camera. So an additional camera on the device, which probably can be used for the tracking. So the camera can move all the way around. Really nice. But of course, I will share all the specifications under the descriptions. But now let's go to the back side. This is always an exciting moment. And as we've seen, we had that USB cable coming along. So you can connect it over USB. It doesn't power over USB, so you need to connect a separate power cable, which comes along in the box, or you power it over the PoE. Really nice. And here, I think this is a Kensington lock. For the AV integrators, there is a wall mount coming along with the Studio E60. Now, how do you connect that to the Studio E60? You do that underneath. There is here the tripod mount. Really nice. So you could use that to connect it to, for example, the wall mount which comes along. So you can just use it. There's a screw coming along with the Studio E60, so you can just attach this